The Feyree Portable EV Charger stands out as a beacon of convenience and adaptability. This cutting-edge charging solution, available on Aliexpress, promises to revolutionize the way electric vehicle EV owners power up their rides. With features like a Type 2 cable, 32A charging capacity, and a C plug, this charging box is designed to cater to diverse charging needs. Additionally, the inclusion of a J1772 adapter ensures compatibility with a wide range of electric vehicles, making it an indispensable accessory for EV enthusiasts. The Feyree Portable EV Charger boasts a Type 2 cable, providing users with a versatile charging solution. This standard is widely adopted in Europe and is recognized for its compatibility with various electric vehicles. The 32A charging capacity and 7KW power output ensure a swift and efficient charging experience, allowing users to top up their EVs quickly and conveniently. Equipped with a C plug, the Feyree Portable EV Charger facilitates seamless integration into existing power outlets. The C plug is a standard electrical connector widely used in Europe, ensuring that users can connect their chargers to a variety of power sources without the need for additional adapters or modifications. This level of compatibility makes the Feyree Charger an excellent choice for those who prioritize convenience and accessibility. Understanding the diverse EV market, Feyree includes a J1772 adapter with their portable EV charger. This adapter ensures compatibility with electric vehicles that adhere to the North American charging standard, expanding the usability of the charger across different regions. Whether you drive a European or North American electric vehicle, the Feyree Charger has you covered. True to its name, the Feyree Portable EV Charger is designed for on-the-go charging. Its compact and lightweight construction makes it easy to transport, allowing EV owners to charge their vehicles wherever a compatible power source is available. The user-friendly interface and plug-and-play design further enhance the overall charging experience, making it accessible to both novice and experienced EV users.